But let's see what we got. Well, what's going on, guys? It is Friday at about 6:45, July 7th, and I gotta tell you, it's been a long week. We got 11-12 guys working every day, and they've been working till 7-8 o'clock. A couple of them 9 o'clock at night. On-call guy been out till 10 o'clock. It's been mid-90s every day, thunderstorms. There's the radar. I pull that up. There's more storms coming right there. And I'm right over in this area, so hopefully the one I'm looking at is going around me. I got my umbrella up just in case, but we've been like everybody else out there, I'm sure, with this heat, especially in the south. We have been slammed. We've done 13 or 14 installs this week, system replacements, and still adding them to the schedule. So this is summer. This is what you get. But this guy got a Rheem package unit here, said compressor comes on, fan outside comes on, but there's no air blowing in the house. So let's see what we've got behind this door before I turn it back on. I don't know if this thing has an X13 motor in it or a capacitor motor, but we're about to find out. I've got the disconnect out right now, and yeah, guys, it has been a long, hot week. Attics, I've done a couple of drain pan clears this week already. 125 degrees up in the attics, and it's just the nature of the business and the beast when you're in the summer. But I tell you, this weekend I'm gonna stay where I know my air conditioning. Knock on some damn wood. Here's some mulch. I'll knock on that, and hopefully mine hangs in there. And I'm gonna drink some cold beers. Matter of fact, actually, I've still got 3 Bud Lights in the bottom drawer of the refrigerator from about 3 or 4 months ago. I may take those and do a little target practice this weekend out in the backyard. Blow them all to smithereens. I'm gonna shoot one with the pistol, one with the AR-15, and the other one's gonna get a shotgun blast. So that's how that works out. And I'll be drinking Corona while I'm doing it, with a little bit of tequila here and there. And oh my goodness, look at what we've got. An X13 motor. And I don't keep one of those universal ones on my truck. Like I said, I work out of a four-wheel drive Silverado crew cab. I'm not in a van. I'm out trying to help the guys. They're working late, trying to pick up a call. The other supervisor's doing the same thing, pick up a call best we can, and try to keep them from working too late. But somebody will have one of those on their van somewhere, and you can swing by here and swap it out, or either we can come back tomorrow morning and swap it out if that's the problem. But let's do some troubleshooting and confirm that's our problem. Alright, we're back around to the front side of the unit. We'll get this door off. Look at that schematic. I believe our black and our orange are going to be our high voltage 240 to the motor. And should have brought a little light. It's kind of dark back here under this bush. Got to find our wires going back over there to our blower motor. It's going to be these. So I think we're going to have black and orange. And there's our schematic at real quick. If I can read it, the damn print on these things is so freaking small these days, like they're trying to save some damn ink. Okay, indoor motor. Where are we at? Up here. So we got black. Green is ground. We got orange. And brown is the common. So I should have 240 volts between our black and our orange on that motor over there. So they're going to be coming, I'm guessing, from right here, the bottom of that. So look at the board, wiring diagram. Black comes down here, comes across there, and well, we're going to do it the old-fashioned way. And we'll come down here. I'm going to disconnect R from that thermostat and get the thermostat powered off. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to jump out G, see if that blower comes on. So and we'll go around there and we'll check our voltage real quick. All right, so this is my jumper king. I don't need that big jumper king thing taking up more space. It just gets in the way, if you ask me. Just make you a good set of colored jumpers that are all connected together. You can do what you want to do. So I'm going to take R right here, and then I'm going to jump it to there. We heard the relay close when I did that up there, so that should be giving us our power to that motor to run. And let's go see what's going on with it. Alrighty, so we have got the relay jump. I've got the disconnect in, so I want to be careful. Well, these are my two wires here for my 24 volts. One's going to be a heating speed, one's going to be a cooling speed. This is a gas pack. So what I want to do, disconnect these two wires real quick. I want to confirm that I've got 24 volts. Got a holly bush behind me and it's poking the bear a little bit. But let's confirm this motor is getting 24 volts on one of those wires. Oh. So let's go here. We'll try that one first. And 0 on that one. Let's try our other one. And we have 26 volts on that one. So we are getting a call for this blower to run. Disconnect back out real quick. Sorry about the bouncing around. A little tight quarters back here. So we'll plug that one back there. We'll plug that one back up where it was. So now I want to take out my orange and my black right here. I should be getting 240 volts between these two. When I get the disconnect put back in, The other one's going to be my ground wire, which is going over here. The brown wire that plugs back there is going to be actually my common for my low voltage. And then this is going to be my ground, which is up here. And then this black and orange are going to be my L1, my L2, my 240 volts for this motor. So let's put the disconnect back in and see what happens. See if we have voltage. We have 243 volts. So we've got 240 volts feeding this motor. We're getting a 24 volt call. We have a bad X13 motor. Would anybody out there ever have guessed a bad X13 motor on a Rheem gas pack? Sure, why not? So I'm gonna pull the disconnect back out. I'm gonna plug these wires back in, and I can remember which terminals they go to. These last two down here. Oh, black is L and then orange is neutral. So the black one is gonna go. Let me get my flashlight so I can see what the hell I'm looking at. Because my eyes ain't what they used to be. So, one goes over there. Orange goes back to that one. And then neutral goes back to that one. So we're there. So that's what we're looking at, is an X13 motor. So what is the date on this unit? Serial number on this one, F1915. So this is a 2015 model. I am not sure if it's under warranty or not. So I would hate to have one of the guys come by and put in a universal motor in this thing. It's cool in the house. This is the downstairs. You can feel the cool in there. That upstairs unit's pumping cold air. It's only 70, I think 75 degrees downstairs. So he ain't suffering since it's 94 outside. Luckily it's the downstairs and not the upstairs. But we'll probably check the warranty on this thing. It's after hours obviously, so I can't call Jim Air and check the warranty on it. Maybe he'll have some paperwork in there. I don't know. I'll go in there and ask. But anyway, guys, that is our problem. We have a failed X13 motor and a Rheem package in it. So, micro channel coil. Gotta love that crap right there. But anyway, guys, this is a good way to end a long week. Something simple. Wish we could check the warranty on it. I hate to put a motor in it even just to get through the weekend. He's not suffering in there. It's cool in the house, and I'd rather wait and check the warranty. If this thing may have a 10-year warranty on it. So we're going to leave it as it is. Monday morning we'll call over, check the warranty on this thing, see if they've got one in stock, and we'll give them a warranty repair charge to replace this motor and get back and get this thing running. But anyway, guys, it's been a long week. If you're still working, drink some water. If you're working this weekend, drink some water. Don't get burnt out. But I'll be at the house with the air conditioning. Once again, knock on wood. But if it quits, I've got what I need to fix it. Those are the parts I do stock at home. The ones that go in my unit in case something happens. As long as the coil doesn't blow out in it, but it doesn't have a micro channel in it, so pretty good chance that won't happen. So anyway, guys, appreciate you guys that watch, like, subscribe. Super thanks. $2, $4, $5, whatever. If you feel you want to do it, do it. I'm just throwing it out there because it's an extra thing. I don't do live chats. Probably won't anytime soon. So doing super chats and stuff like that, it's not in my wheelhouse right now. Maybe at some point I will dabble with that, but I'm just having fun with it right now. Any revenue I get from this is going into a separate account that I have set up. It's not going into my personal everyday stuff. I'm gonna let that money build, and then I'm gonna do something with it maybe about this time next year. We'll see. Anyway, guys, like, subscribe, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next one.